Hello, my name is Brandon Watt, and today we're at Switch Vehicles headquarters to answer a common question we get from educators all the time. How does the Switch Lab EV program actually arrive to your school? So let's take a look. The vehicle arrives as a rolling glider, which means the wheels, steering wheel, suspension, rack, and battery box are all installed. This means that when it does arrive, it can roll right off the delivery truck and right into your classroom. Within the rolling chassis itself, all of the components and hardware are organized into boxes that are labeled, and it also comes with setup and unpacking instructions. So when the vehicle does arrive and rolls into your workspace, students will then unpack, inventory, and then organize the entire vehicle before hitting the ground running. So this was designed to make it as easy as possible. No special equipment required, no forklifts, no jack lifts. All you have to do is roll it right off of the trailer into the classroom. That's it. And if you'd like to find out more about the Switch Lab EV program, you can find us online at TheSWITCHLab.com.